Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I hope you're having a blessed Sunday. And I'm coming on to show you some project shares, show you what I've been doing this week, and to show y'all some hauls. So I'm going to start with the projects I've been doing. I didn't make any cards, but I have been coloring. And I have a whole bunch of images that I've colored because I'm doing this project for my bestie. And I have to have 26 images because I'm doing a address book for her, so I need an image for each letter of the alphabet. So that's what I've been doing, and when I finish it, I'll come back and I'll show you it finished. So I did this little girl here. She's a penny black image, and so I did her, and I put glossy accents on the strawberry and some wings of Stella on her wings. I think she turned out so cute. And then this is a sugar pea little girl and a gorgeous girl. CC Designs. Friends are the chocolate chips of life. That's the truth. This is a whimsy stamp. This is from the greeting farm. I gave her a little polka dot hat. I put some glossy accents on the sunglasses. This is a Stamping Bella. This is a Not Too Shabby Shop. I love this little hamster. I'm going to cut out the bow, put it in its hair, and I'm going to have it holding the coffee. This is a Simon Says stamp. It says, "There is nobody like you." This one's from Sassy Pants, maybe, or something like that. And I made up the cup, the lines. I just used a ruler. It's a zebra, and it's like, "Fully support your couch resting, PJ wearing, messy hair rockin' choices for today." Hold on one sec. Then I did a CC Designs. That one, the chicks, so cute. This one, I can't remember the name of the company right now. If you want to know, just ask and I'll look it up. This was a CC Designs, and a lot of these, it was the first time I actually used the stamps, so it was fun for me. This one says, "You're a pearl." And then I did a house mouse. And I did another CC Designs. It says, "You're beautiful." Stinking cute. I think this one's a whippersnapper. I did a magnolia. I love this one. This one's a Gerda Steiner. It says, "Warm Thoughts." This one is a Stamping Bella, and it says, "You are the sister I got to choose." And this last one is a penny black, and she turned out so cute. I used glossy accents on the strawberries, and then I used stickles on the flowers. I just love this one. Love it. So those are my projects that I've been, or the things that I've been coloring. Just wanted to share that. Okay, next, Dollar Tree. I found this foam and poster board adhesive called Beacon, and I actually like it because I'm working on a project with foam, and it works really good. So if you find it, grab some. So I got 2 of those. I found this truck ribbon. I don't know if I have this one or if it's a different one. And then I found this I hadn't seen before, so I grabbed me one of those. Thought it was cute. And then I happened to find some more of these mini writing tablets, and I found them in 2 different other colors. So I grabbed one of each. I want to make them into, I want to alter them, is what I'm trying to say. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each. Okay, it says right here, 5 tablets. So cute. And that's all I got from Dollar Tree. Then I went to Red Lead, and they are awesome. So, first of all, their packaging is adorable. Look at that. So cute. And then my invoice on the back is decorated so you can use it. And then they have my stuff wrapped in this beautiful ribbon that you can use. And then they sent an envelope that looked like this, so pretty. So I'm gonna reuse that. I'm gonna put somebody's card in it. And then they sent this little, oh my gosh, why do I do that? I get brain freeze. A stencil. This says Destiny. And they were all secured with this gold paper clip. And then they sent this paper right here that you can use. Isn't that pretty? So if you do like junk journals and stuff, this would be amazing for you. And this like postage looking. And it says, Dear Art Girl, if you heart your order, please tell a friend. So I'm telling you guys, loved my order. Halloween stamps are back in stock. Sheet chipboard shapes. She is lovely. She is joyful. Paper shapes, postage stamp frames. Days of the week, new wood melt stamps. So it tells you everything that they have. Make fun paper dolls, Red Lead. Wednesday, I will plan something interesting and helpful today. And then they sent me this. A little tag with a pocket. Cute. So I wanted to share that. They are really awesome. And all I did was buy 1 stamp. It wasn't cheap, but I bought 1. So I got the Dear Art Girl that I've seen everybody use. I think it is so stinking cute. So it says, Dear Art Girl, happy birthday, best friends forever, and may all your dreams come true. And it comes in 2 sizes, and it's red rubber. And I absolutely love this stamp. I had to have it. I saw it first on Jill Norwood's channel. Hi, Jill. And yeah, I had to have her. I want to play with her. So I got that. Okay, next I went to scrapbook.com. And I guess they have a new Simple Vintage Lemon Twist by Simple Stories. So that looks pretty. And then 49 and Market came out with a new one. And on the back they sent some cut aparts that you can use, and they're thick. So that was nice. And then I got 2 freebies. I got these alphas and numbers in gold. And then I got this stamp set by Colorado Craft Company. And it says, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. I love it. Then I found this Simple Stories Hollyberry stencil for $1.99 in their clearance section. So I don't have anything like this, so I had to grab that. And then I bought this Nightmare Before Christmas by Doodlebug Designs. I think it's so cute. Let me show you. It's double-sided. Look how cute. I love the Gingis. Love the plaids. I love all of it. Love cut apart tags. More Gingis. Oh, I love that. See, oh, I just love this. It'll be so much fun. And then it repeats. Pretty. And then the last thing I got was this photo play, Not a Creature Was Stirring by Michelle Coleman. Let's check this out because this looks really pretty. You see that gingerbread house? So cute. I love this. I love the colors. With the Gingis. Cute. And it repeats, I think 3 times maybe, or twice. 2 or 3 times. So pretty. So glad I got that. And then eBay. So I wanted that goop, and I found this on eBay, and it came with 2 other dies. I didn't know it was slimline either, but what I want it for was this scoop. I want to use it as frosting, so that's why I got it. And then it came with cats and jack-o'-lanterns, so I got that die. And then I found this Cosmo Cricket called Salt Air, and I think this is so pretty for mermaids. Oh, I did not take off the other side. I thought I took it off. Sorry guys, give me a sec. I only took off one side. Give me just a second. There we go. So it's so cute. I love the colors. Look at the bubbles and the splashes and the waves. I love it. The mermaid tails. So I love Cosmo Cricket paper. So I got that. I got it really good price too. And then they sent me some Prima flowers and some stickers for free. And then my really exciting find, which was not cheap at all, was this PSX stamp called Gingerbread Cookies. So I got that. The only thing is, I discovered that it's not stamping out the letter B in butter. So I just contacted them to see if they will refund partially or I'm going to return it. So yeah, that's that. So I still have my giveaway going and I'm going to extend it. So stay tuned for that. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, please comment. Okay, bye-bye.